The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, anticipated for release in early 2026, is expected to introduce significant advancements in both camera technology and performance. Leaks suggest the main camera will feature a larger 200MP sensor, approximately 1/1.1 inches in size with 0.7 micrometers pixels, enhancing low-light photography and dynamic range. Additionally, the device may incorporate Polar ID facial recognition technology, offering security comparable to Apple's Face ID without requiring additional sensors. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, utilizing 3nm technology and achieving clock speeds up to 5 GHz, promising substantial improvements in speed and efficiency. These enhancements position the Galaxy S26 Ultra as a formidable contender in the premium smartphone market.